Take the video of the back. Right. Alright, cool.
Wait, only got a few seconds left. I don't know.
Yeah, show them how long the staircase is. It's a $1 million home, folks.
Open that door.
Look at his seat.
Somebody's asleep? Open it lightly. Huh.
We think sorry, he's asleep.
He slept super late. It's like 2, ain't it? Oh, that's tight. I didn't even notice that. Look at this. Look at this.
What?
That
Oh, I know.
thing.
I want to play with it.
I want to play with it too. Is there a light or something?
Yeah. Probably.
Press something. Press buttons. No, you're gonna make it fall. Okay, we gotta run. Got minutes left. Got minutes. Oh, what does it do? What does it do?
It just turns on, bro.
That is super retarded. Show the windows. Show the windows. This is kind of short. Duck your head. Duck your head. Where? Right here? Gotta hurry up. Man, I ain't get to use this shower. That's messed up. Oh, this is where that door leads. I have a door next to a bathroom. Man, Cameron, you gotta speed this up. You take you too long to focus. Nah, I think Alexa was in here. Oh man, there's a door. Man, this room is great right here. There's a door out.